What's up, Virginia Bonsai here. Check out this big pile of pine chips for our soil, and we're scouting for bonsai's potential trees next year. So you can see some trees already got the tops cut off, and some of them we're looking at, like this one. It's got a little bit of a fungal problem, or maybe that's how the bark developed because of the weathering, but I doubt that. So look at this holly, another potential. So that's what we're doing. We're going through the woods today and looking at some potentials and breaking some top branches off, and looking at some other pines and red cedars and things we might want to use for next year. As you can see, I have a lot of property, so there's a lot of potential trees just all over the place that have good structure and potential, new leads and stuff. So as you can see, this is all my property, and I just dig them up and start them in small pots. We'll be doing that this spring, so stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe.